Good day. It's me, Cynthia, the Yarnaholic, and I am gonna have some Doritos and some seltzer water. I'm gonna put some Splenda in it. This stuff is so good. It tastes like sugar. So, yeah. See if we can make some magic. Did I show you guys my braces yet? Do I have meat? I just had some shredded beef. I tried to make some Cuban food. It turned out really good, but it wasn't Cuban. It was just food. I tried to make picadillo, but okay. And I think there's like a rabbit or something in my stovepipe. I don't know. Ooh, how you doing? I should have something to mix this. Let's take a drink before we have a Dorito. Oh my God, okay. There's one. You hear that? I got a drinking hiccup. Only while. Okay, there's another one. This is good. We're on to something. I just hope I don't have any meat in my braces. Ow. That one was tricky. I don't know why this tastes like alcohol all of a sudden. It's supposed to taste sweet. I wonder if this has like something in it. I don't know. The Splenda is not doing good in the seltzer water. I bought a bunch of yarn today. Clearance yarn at Hobby Lobby. Not that you guys care. But since nobody watches my crochet videos, I might as well tell all my crochet stuff to you guys. So I bought all this yarn stuff, and I already have more yarn than I can use in a lifetime for one person. Hold on. I don't know what I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my God. Okay, my natural instinct, Douglas. My natural instinct is to start holding my breath and trying to get rid of the hiccups. Okay, you guys watching hiccup videos, what do you do when you get the hiccups? Do you record yourself having the hiccups and watch it over and over again? My dogs are having a moment over here. What if like family members have the hiccups? Do you just stare at them? Braces I don't recommend. They hurt. It doesn't hurt all the time anymore. Oh my God, I keep saying after every hiccup. How annoying. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. So, if you haven't had braces before, there's my stove again. They put the braces on, and then your teeth start moving. So you have like an hour and a half after they put the braces on, and your teeth start moving, and then the pain kicks in. And it's not pain like you got stabbed or kicked. It's a pain like there are bones in your face moving. And that's all. It's strange. And you can eat. It's not like your mouth is raw or anything, but your bones are moving and they don't want to, so they're resisting and it hurts. It took me 8 days, 8 solid days. I could eat on my left side. I could eat on my left side. Oh my gosh, why am I out of breath? I've been working out at the gym. I shouldn't be out of breath. About 2 days after I got the braces, this side was like completely normal. Like I could eat a sandwich. So that was great. But this side, from this front tooth over, was killing me. So I could not eat at all. It felt like all my teeth were going to fall out. Are they fighting? Oh gosh, Ruger's going to ruin my hiccups. Hold on, I have to go away. Fill my glass back up. Add some more of this. Bloop. He's senile. He's 13. So I wonder why I'm getting these a lot. Okay, I'm not gonna take my. Bye, Ruger. I have to be careful because he'll follow me in here, and I don't. Okay. Am I missing them? Are they? Nope, I still have them. Okay, this is good. Woo. How are you guys liking this so far? All right. That was a little squeaky one. There are all sorts of different kinds. I hope Douglas doesn't jump on the door and open it. I have one of those handles that move up and down. There's like a million different hiccups in one batch. Whew. Well, I'm a little disgusted at myself for going to the yarn sale today. I got a lot of yarn. I got $109 worth of yarn. That's what I paid. But most of it was marked down 75%. So 75%. So all of the yarn balls are like normally like $3.99, $5.99, $7.99. They were all like $1.12. So that was a hiccup that I just got while I was swallowing. I got a hiccup while I was swallowing. This is a good one, guys. You know, my dogs are doing weird things out in the living room. I really should have hit my inhaler first. Oh, and my house is haunted, so. I think they're going away. I look very tired today. That's fine. It's fine. It's just another Monday. So July 15th, I get my bottom. See, I get my bottoms done. That is it. Look at my hair. Okay, so my hair situation, not that anyone has asked or cares. I'm growing it out as much as possible. And then, because it's like 4 different colors of blonde. If you know anybody, if you get your hair done or anything, when they bleach your hair, sometimes they layer it in tinfoil. So as I'm growing my hair out, I can see the layers that are different colors of blonde, different shades of blonde, but like straight lines where the tinfoil was back in the day, like years and years of bleaching. So I'm trying to grow it out all one length, and then I'll color it all one color. Because right now it's a mess. It is a disaster. Yeah, you can see the bands of color. It's terrible. Awful. All right, well, you asked for it. I don't have hiccups anymore, so I'm going to go. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.